Okay. What do you guys notice about this problem that's different than what I was giving you yesterday? Yes, x squared is on the inside of our parentheses as opposed to the outside of our parentheses. So, how can I handle this x squared minus 9?
Break it up into x minus 3.
Good. If you notice that it's a difference of squares right away, you can break it into f of x is equal to x plus 3 times x minus 3. That's our x squared minus 9, and that x plus 4 stays hanging on at the end. Then, your x-intercepts are going to occur where? Good. So you're going to get negative 3, 0, 3, 0, and negative 4, 0. Now, if you recognize that, that could help. What did you guys do? Good. You could also set each of these equal to 0. So you can have x squared minus 9 is equal to 0, and x plus 4 is equal to 0. Then, how am I going to solve this first one, x squared minus 9? Add 9. X squared is equal to 9. And when I do that square root thing, Peyton, what do I need to remember? Plus or minus? Because we added the square root. Good. X is equal to plus or minus. Square root of 9 is 3. Subtract 4. Get that x equals negative 4. Which are, guys, which is the same points that you had when you solved it using your factoring. So, either way, this is more of just kind of what we've been doing the entire chapter, just a different way of phrasing it. Different way of phrasing it, but ultimately ending up at the same place. Questions on that? All right. You're designing an open box to be made of a piece of cardboard that is 10 inches by 15 inches. The box will be formed by making the cuts shown in the diagram and folding up the sides so that the flaps are square. You want the box to have the greatest volume possible. How long should you make the cuts? What is the maximum volume? And what will the dimensions of the finished box be? Okay. What are we looking to maximize? So, we're trying to maximize volume here. So, how do I find the volume of a box? Multiply what?
Length times width times height.
Good. Volume is length times width times height.
Yeah, so my little finger pointing like this.
What's that? Okay. Now, if I have this 10 by 15 inch piece of cardboard, am I going to have a length and a width of 15 and 10?
Nope.
Why not?
Because you still got a cutter.
Good. We've got to cut, make these cuts here, 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 and here, so that I can fold this up into so that I can make a box. Okay? And they tell us that we're going to make square flaps. Which means that this little square here is going to be x by x. So how long is the side of this box going to be if I...
10 minus x times 3.
Good. So I have, we're going to call that my length is going to be our 10 inches minus the 2 x's that I take away. Why do I take away 2 x's?
Because there's 2 sides.
Good, because you're going to take an x from the top of that, and you're going to take an x from the bottom. So you end up taking away 2 x's. What is my width going to be?
10 minus 2x.